Greece is a place where you really get to experience the culture, like the food and the art.
Greece so far has been like every single part of it looks like it's from a painting.
It doesn't settle in for the first hour or so that you're here, but the longer I've been here, the greater it gets.
I bring students to Greece for so many reasons. I don't think you can appreciate the world you live in today without a really intimate understanding of the ancient world. And where can you get that in Europe or Greece?
The most important thing is that there's a combination, a wonderful combination of history and culture and food, and everything is just so accessible. It's a small country, so that means that within an hour you can be in the mountains or you can be by the sea.
Walking around the city of Athens, there is always a little bit of history around every corner.
The Acropolis is always the focal point of the city, and no matter where you are, you can always see it. Our hotels are right on the slope, and we walk out the hotel, you can see the Acropolis. There are shops, there's the Plaza, the Old Town, lots of wonderful restaurants and cafes.
When you're walking up the hill, you can't see much because of all the trees and the big wall. But then once you turn the corner, it hits you all at once, and it's pretty like an amazing sight to see.
You never really understand how amazing it is until you actually see it in person.
As you descend the Acropolis, you have the opportunity to visit the Acropolis Museum, which is in huge contrast to the Acropolis itself. It's very modern. And I think it's important that they see that in conjunction with the Acropolis to fully understand the history.
Delphi is awe-inspiring. The steps have all been traveled by millions and millions of people through like thousands of ages. Being there is just insane because you are one of those millions of people now.
Last night was really fun because we got to go up and dance, but it was also a little embarrassing, but it was kind of nice because it pushed me out of my comfort zone a little, and I had a lot of fun.
Today we went to the island of Hydra. It was kind of our relaxing day after a couple days in Athens. We spent pretty much the whole time at the beach here, got to go swimming, jumped off some rocks.
I loved going in the water because it's really warm. You can just dive right in, doing like cannonballs and stuff. And I kind of wasn't really hesitating because I was like, I wanted to do this, I'm gonna do it, I'm not gonna wait.
I see a very distinct change in a lot of kids from day one till the last day. The main thing that changes is their self-confidence. They become many times more open because they become friends with people that they've never even talked to in school. That happens quite a lot, actually. They get bitten by the travel bug, a lot of them do, and they'll then continue traveling in their lives. At the end of the trip, I've many times had kids crying because they don't want to go home. They just love it so much.